Hi, I'm Krista from the Major Gifts and Plan Giving team here at the University of Alberta. Every day, I get to see the lasting ripple effect of how giving to education and research changes lives in our community and beyond. Recently, one of our donors shared, "You don't have to be ultra wealthy to leave a gift in a will." And it's true, every gift matters. A gift in your will is a simple, powerful way to define your legacy, inspiring students for generations and builds a better future. It's worth remembering that sometimes the most meaningful gifts aren't about giving more, they're about giving smarter. One question we hear often is, how can I give smarter and maximize my tax savings? Well, here's one way: donating publicly traded securities like stocks or shares directly to a charity. You'll avoid paying capital gains tax and you get a tax receipt for the full market value. It's a win-win, more impact and less tax. Another great option, including a gift in your estate plan, whether it's a percentage of your estate, specific dollar value, or an asset like real estate, RRSPs, security, or life insurance. Your estate gets a charitable tax receipt which can help reduce taxes, and more of your estate stays with your loved ones. The best part? Well, a gift in your will doesn't affect your finances today, but it lets you decide how your life's work continues. I often hear, "I love my family and I also care deeply about education." Well, you can do both, and we're here to help. Thousands of U of A alumni and friends already making a lasting impact, and you can too. Together, we are building something extraordinary. The planning you do today could truly change the lives of students tomorrow. If you've been thinking about legacy giving or just want a few helpful tips, please reach out to our team. We'd love to have a friendly, confidential chat, and we have free estate planning tools we'd be happy to share. Thank you for being such an important part of our U of A community. We hope to see you soon, online, on campus, or at an upcoming event.